Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable your SSL for Weebly and change your DNS in GoDaddy if you have a GoDaddy account. If you don't have a GoDaddy account, it is similar for most other domain registrars as well. And I know that if you aren't familiar with changing your DNS and pointing it, then it can become kind of confusing. Now, I already had SSL enabled on my site when I first developed this website, but I've just noticed in the past few days that this lock right here was unlocked, and it said that this account was not a secure account. So I don't know when I accidentally clicked my SSL, the function to enable SSL, when I clicked that off, because I wanted to make sure that whatever website builder that I use, that it had an SSL certificate. Weebly offers a free SSL certificate. But for whatever reason that mine became unchecked, I had to pay $10 to re-enable it. And so I've already done that, but I just wanted to make this quick video to help others who may not be familiar with the process. But initially it's free. If you have to do it again for whatever reason, they will charge you $10. What made me notice this is, as you can see, my sales for the month have only been $10. This is only like the fifth day in January, so I'm hoping that they go up. But I realized that I'd had over 3,000 visitors in the past month to my store, but only 2 sales. So a lot of times, if you have an online store and customers see that your website is not secure, then they're not going to want to purchase from you. I mean, this is something that I look for when I'm making purchases, to make sure that the website has an SSL certificate and that my credit card information is just not floating around out there in space. And so that's what made me take note of it, was that I had all these visitors to the store and a low number of sales. So the first thing you want to do is be in your editor in Weebly, and you want to go ahead and open up your account in GoDaddy. So I have my account opened up in GoDaddy. You just click on account and it brings you to your accounts. In Weebly, to get to the editor, you just go to edit site. Once you're in the site, once you're in the edit site, you want to click on settings right here at the top. And this is the page that you want to see. So you want to go here where it says SSL. Of course, mine says enabled because I just enabled it a few minutes ago. But if yours is not enabled, it will say disabled, and over here, this button will say enable. You want to click on the button that says enable. And what it will do is bring up a prompt that gives you 2 options. The first option is a blurb, an email blurb that you can email to your site host, GoDaddy, name.com, whatever. And it basically asks them to point your DNS record to Weebly's website. Now, if I click disable, I'm going to have to pay another $10 to enable it. So it's going to give you that blurb, and then it's going to give you, included in the blurb is going to be Weebly's IP address. It generally begins with 199 dot, and then whatever numbers are behind it. So you want to copy those numbers, that number that begins with 199 dot, then there'll be 2 numbers after the dot, another dot, 3 numbers after that dot, another dot, and 2 numbers after that dot. So you want to copy that and then come over to your GoDaddy account settings. And you're going to want to click on DNS. When you click on DNS, this A record at the top is what you're going to want to change. Mine was different before I changed it to the Weebly's IP address that I just received, the 199 number that I was telling you about, with the 2 numbers after, then 3 numbers, then 2 numbers. So yours will be different here. You're going to want to click on this pencil, and when you click on the pencil, it allows you to edit it. So you're just going to paste the number that Weebly gave you in this space, okay? And then you're going to want to come down and check that your C name, this name right here, this www, that the value of it is an @ okay? So you want the C name, which points to www, is an @. If it's not an @, then you just click on this pencil and you change it to an @. It's as simple as that. That's all you do. Once you have done that, then you come down and you click on well, mine doesn't have save because I didn't make a change, but you'll scroll all the way down and you'll click on save, okay? That's all you need to do. So once you've done that, once you have changed the A record to the IP address that we gave you, and you've confirmed that your C name is an @, click on save and then go back into Weebly, okay? So at that point, all you need to do is hit publish. Now, if you don't publish, then your changes are not going to be saved, okay? It generally takes about 24 to 48 hours if you're doing it yourself for the changes to update, although it rarely takes that long. That's the blurb that they give you. It takes about 24 to 48 hours if you do it yourself. It takes about 72 hours if you email your registrar to do it for you. But as soon as I made the changes and hit publish and went to my site, the changes had already been saved, and this lock was now locked, letting me know that my website is now secure. And so that's how you enable SSL and change your domain pointing through GoDaddy. So if this video was helpful to you, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos and other videos that have nothing to do with tech. Thanks, and have a great day.